and welcome back to my channel. I've got Jessie in the background, my beagle, she's just there. Right, so this is a Latest in Beauty unboxing, and with Latest in Beauty you can build a box or you can go onto their webpage and choose one of their boxes, and yeah, you get some really good items in Latest in Beauty, you really do. I like it because, if you like me, I don't really have time to go shopping, so I just prefer this. It's much easier for me and I like it because I get to see new products. So yeah, so you have a choice of, you can have a 3 one, a 6 one. I get the 9 one. So there should be 9 items in here. She's just having a mad 5 minutes. Oh, there she is. Right, so let's just get into the box and let's see what we have in this month's Latest in Beauty. Right, okay. So this is the May edit one, and there you go. You see it? So it says, first of all, it says Global Beauty Lookbook, May 19 edit, Latest in Beauty, and it says on the top of the box, it says My Edit, Latest in Beauty Approved. Wow, so there we go. And so I will unbox it like this. With Latest in Beauty you get to choose your items, so I did choose my items, but I have forgotten what is in this box. So there we go. Can you see it? Oh, you're not going to see it. Covered with this black charcoal stuff. Right, okay, so I see an item that I would always buy, which is this. This is the Nexxus hair serum. I will show you a better angle of it. The reason it is why I said this is because it is fantastic. It really does work on my hair. I love it so much. I went to purchase it the other day and I found it in a Boots and it was £25. Like £25 is so super expensive for me. Well, it would be for most people, I think. £25 for a hair serum is a bit pricey. Oh, and there goes my bed. Right, okay, so then the next item is this one, which is Faith of Nature. That is a gorgeous bottle. It really is a really nice summery bottle, but I'll just pull them out and then we'll have a look at them in a minute. That's what we're going to do. So there's 2 items. Oh, wow. I got this as well because I'm super crazy on hair products. So this is the Curl Company Expert in Curls and Waves Enhances Perfect Curl Cream. And it's frizz control, humidity defense, ultra smoothing and curl definition. So there we go, that is that. Then I got this item because I'm super crazy on hair products, as you will notice going through my channel. That is what I started to do on a night is I've actually started to use these. I've got some more of these and I twist my hair, and so and then at the bottom I put one of these in and it keeps my hair looking straight. Works really well, and that is what I do with it. So okay, then the next item what I got is the Natural PHB Natural Organic Eyeliner. I love PHB products. They just really work really well. I don't know if that's going to focus. Try to get it to focus on that. Oh, come on, camera, focus. No, it's not going to have it. It's just a bit small. It's an eyeliner. Right, so then the next item is the star of the month, which is the Murad. Oh, she's gone crazy. which is that one. Right, Jessica, just come up the stairs and leave him on his own. Just come up the stairs and leave him. Right, so we were on with this. Now this is the Murad and it's an exfoliator. I love to exfoliate. I don't exfoliate my face every day. I exfoliate it about twice a week. It's just because you just don't want to go too mad on your face. And yeah, so exfoliate twice a week is plenty for me. And this is an Age Reform AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser, Netionate. I can't pronounce that, it's all in foreign. So it's developed by Murad, Dr. Murad, and this is made in the USA, and as you'll see, it's a real good one. And this is definitely a full-sized item, and I'm sure that this one, it retails for about £38. It's expensive. So that is why I like Latest in Beauty, is because you seem to get good brands at the right price. So then the next item is a must-have for me. I use these all the time, and like I just go through them quite a lot. So this is the Quattro Wilkinson Sword, sensitive for women, and so there we go. They're like, I must have them. I just go through them quite a lot. Right, okay, so that is that. Then we have got this, which is a night cream, and it's a, is it gonna focus? Try to get it to focus on that. Right, so this is the night cream. I really do. I like, we got one called Poo or something, Pure, or in Glossy Box, and I absolutely love it. I like put that on every night and wash it off the following morning. It's just amazing. I usually have loads of them about, but I haven't got one about to show you. It's like a little pink thing, and it just got Poo on it, P-O-O on it. It really is a good item, but I thought when I saw this might be just as good as it. This is by Night Cream, and it's by Eat Cooking, and yeah, so it helps visibly reduce the fine lines. So that is that one. Then I got this. Now I thought, oh, I made a boo-boo. I thought that this would have been actually bigger, but I want a sample size. But it is a good company, so I thought, well, it's sometimes the Latest in Beauty is you get them wrong. But this one is an expensive one anyway. It's Pureology Serious Colour Care Hydrate and Shampoo. And yeah, so Pureology is expensive. So there we go. Right, so then we've got, what else have we got in this box? We've got, oh, so that is a that. So, there we go. This is the Curl Company. The Curl Company is dedicated curl brand encouraging women to embrace their natural curls, significantly developed with a blend of ingredients to enhance and define the curls, waves and coils. So you'll save 15% on this item on the Curl Company at Creatons.com. Isn't Creatons like in Poundland? Or something like that, I don't know. Right, so save 15% on it. So it just says enter code beauty19 at the checkout, and you can do that if you want. That is up to you. Right, so then we've got a card on the Murad, which is this one. And oops. So this is like you can save 15% off this. So save 15% off murad.co.uk. Just use the code MURAD15. I will put that in the description box down below, so you can just free to use that 15% off code, or you want to get it there. Has it got focus on it? Right, and yeah, so that is that. They also are advertising their retinol cream. I have not had their retinol cream yet, which is there. I am hoping to get it, or probably get it in a beauty box or something like that. So that is that. Then the other little card what we have is you will get £5 off the Beauty Heroes Summer 19 box, launching in June 19. So if you want that, just use that code and you'll get it. £5 off. So it says launching June 19th, and it's just the code says summer to, oh, do you know what, I'll put that in the description box. Right, and it's just going now. It says Teda Toy, don't be shy, we want to meet you. Teda Toy, Teda and Toy, £10 off a gift of gold to spend on our website. So there we go. Oh, that looks like jewellery. It looks really nice. Look at that, looks gorgeous. So that is that. And that is that. Right, so now I'll just have a look at these. We'll start off with what I started with, which is this. Now then, this is one of my must go-tos. I love it for hair serum and all of that. I have lots of hair serum-y stuff. I love hair serum. Right, so this is it. It works absolutely perfectly. It comes like that out of the tube. As I said, it is £25 to buy. It's expensive, but it just works. I love it on my hair. And so that is that one. Right, so then the next item what we pulled out was, I'm trying to think of it, is this one, isn't it? This one is the Faith in Nature, and I honestly did think it was going to be bigger in size. With Latest in Beauty, you have to check the products, and that's what I should do, because I thought that that would have been a bigger one. But let's just have a smell of it. Oh, it smells like pineapples. Tropical. Oh, it's gorgeous. Smells like pineapples. That is really a nice scent. I'm looking forward to using that in the shower. Really nice scent. Right, so then the next item what I pulled out was this, which is the eyeliner, and I know focus on it, but that is it there. I'll try and get it to focus. My box is gonna go. Right, so I'm gonna put my box down. Oh, sorry for my dogs barking. It's not purple. It's not far off purple, but that is that. So that was the Pureology shampoo. Right, so then the next item we got is these. These are really, really good. Right, I'll show you what I do with my hair on a night. So what I do is I just get hold of it, twist it round, and I put one of these in. And That is what I do. And you can sleep with that in, and it just keeps your hair in one place. So there are going to be in my drawer, so I'll use those tonight. Right, so then the next item what we got is this, which is the night cream. And so this is, what mill is this? So it's made in DK, and it's the Ikuken night cream, and I'm not sure what the mill is at all, but this is vegan, and so I'm just going to try a bit on my hand there. Now that would, I could imagine that being on my face, and it will just generally sink into the skin as you are sleeping. So it's going to prevent wrinkles. It has a very light lavender scent. It's not an overpowering lavender scent. So that is that. And I can understand why they put why it's got a lavender scent, because it's a night cream. So lavender makes you sleep easier and all of that sort of stuff. So then the next item what we got is this. So this is the curl cream. I'm not sure if you can put this on straight away. So it says directions: smooth onto dry or damp curls, style as usual. Sorry if you can hear a lot of noise, it's just really noisy. Right, so this you can put on dry hair. Right, now I probably put too much out, but it comes like that. It doesn't have any scent at all. None at all. So I will just put it onto my hair. And it is really, actually, that is quite good. It's moisturising, plus it's giving it like a little bit of oomph. It's lifting my hair up. And you see, that is how I like it. So I quite like that. That is a star. Love that. So a good item. Right, so then we go on to the star of the month, which is the Murad. Now this is to use AM and PM massage over dampened face and neck, and rinse and pat dry. Avoid contact with the eyes, so it's dermatologically developed, which is all good. So, right, so to use this, and it comes like that. Like, you see, it's a full-sized item. It really is. So, we'll have a look at it. And it's just gonna go on a bit of my arm that hasn't been used. Oh, it looks like it's got one of them silver things. Yeah, it does. Right, so you see it's like that, and then we're just gonna foam it up. It's not scrubby, actually. It is not at all scrubby. So it just goes like that. And now I'm going to be looking for the cloth to wipe it off. Don't think of that. Oh, I have my baby wipes here. Oh, there we go. So Jonathan's baby wipes to the rescue. And so that has actually surprised me, because I thought that would have been exfoliating and scrubby, but it's not scrubby. So I guess you could use that every day. So okay, so that is that. Right, okay, so if you liked this unboxing, give me a thumbs up and like, share, and please subscribe to my channel and press the little bell, because it just helps my channel. And okay, so that is my unboxing done. Bye bye for now.